YouTube just launched a new update, and this update is quite so amazing. Honestly, this update is so amazing. It's about YouTube live stream, and it's almost like TikTok. Just getting YouTube is just transforming their live stream also to be like TikTok. So they are bringing out new updates on vertical live stream. So now, the day before yesterday, I was done with my live stream. So I went to my YouTube studio to check my analytics, and boom, I saw this that I was qualified to start getting gifts from my fans on my live stream. This is so amazing. So these are new ways to earn money on YouTube. So if you are not monetized yet, it's high time you rush to get monetized so that you can start benefiting from this. You can start enjoying from this. And this it says, okay, let me read it out. It says viewers can buy jewels to use to send gifts on eligible vertical live streams, and creators earn rubies based on gifts sent. So which means the more gifts they send to you, the more you are earning. So you can build a very nice community, be nice on your live stream, and then you get to earn from it as well. Very, very nice. Honestly, it's very, very nice. So this is another way to earn. YouTube called it another way to earn on YouTube. It's an additional way to earn on YouTube, in which we have people that are really based on live stream. You have people that they do live streams a lot, even more than they post on YouTube, more than they post their long form videos, and more than they post their shorts. So with this, you can earn more on live stream apart from sending super chat, because most time people do feel reluctant sending super chats and all of that. But these rubies that they send, these jewels and the rubies that you earn are quite more easier to send to you, because they are like emojis. Most of them they look like emojis. And then if I had gone live, I would have shown you, because I'm not at the back end to see. I'm not at the front end to see. I'm at the back end. But in my subsequent video, I'm going to show you how this looks like. So once you go to someone's live stream, you click on the dollar sign you see close to where you type your comment. Just click there, and then you will see this live stream gifts that you can gift us. So you click on them. What did they write? They said that you can, okay, you can buy them. Yes, you buy them and then you send to your viewers. Apart from this, YouTube also launched something else. Let me read this out. YouTube launched something else. They said fans can help you get discovered. So apart from you getting helping yourself get discovered, your fans can help you get discovered. So let me read that. They said in addition to liking, in addition to liking, viewers can now hype your video from the last 7 days, giving it points which may help it land on a new leaderboard with other top videos. Your community can help you fuel success. So if you build a nice community, your viewers can help you apart from liking, because most times liking your videos help you to climb up the leaderboard. But apart from liking your video, which means your viewers can also hype you. They hype you. This hype now, you're like for the videos in the past 7 days, only videos in the last 7 days. So your viewers can go ahead and hype this video and then giving you points, which may help you to grow higher on the leaderboard, which means that you are going to get discovered more. So these are from your viewers. If you get a very, very nice fan base, a very nice community, they might help you also climb up. So hi, my fans. I beg you, you can also hype my video. Hype my video. You can hype this video. Apart from liking, please kindly like this video, hype this video. Drop a comment. Let's see how it goes. Let's start together. Yeah, let's start together. So with having a nice community, they can help you fuel your content to a greater height. So it's just so nice. And YouTube have just changed a lot of things. I'll be coming up with a new update, because YouTube have changed a whole lot of things on YouTube. Like a lot of things have changed on YouTube. But I just came up today with these two updates, this very two important updates, at least to say that, because this one really concerns us. It's something that will really, really help us. The first one was earning gifts while you are live on stream, like the vertical, not the horizontal, but the vertical live stream. So people can now gift you while you're on the vertical live stream. Can now send gifts to you, these jewels and rubies sent to you. And then also that your viewers or your fans, your community can also hype your videos, which helps you to climb higher in the leaderboard and get discovered the more. So you can ask me, you also ask me, how can I hype a video? Let me read this out. Okay. Hyping videos, eligibility, availability, and policies. Okay, now to hype a video, it has policies. They say this feature is only available in certain countries at this time. And they also say hype is designed for up and coming creators in the YouTube partner program with 500 to 5,000 subscribers, which means if you don't have up to 5,000, from 500 to 5,000 subscribers, you can't access this, and you must be monetized as well. When once you are above 5,000 subscribers, your videos can't be hype again and you can't also hype again. So in between a certain range of people. Then if you no longer have access to hype, your subscribers count has grown beyond the range, or your channel is no longer in the YPP program. So this is it. So if you are among this set of people, you are free to hype my video. Yeah, I said let me just pick this up because most people might think might be asking how can I hype the video? How can I hype? So these are the criteria for hyping a particular video. So with this, I'll say if you're available to hype my video, you're free to hype my video, and then also don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Share my video as well. It's also as just the same thing as hyping my video. Thanks so much. So if you can't hype my video, do well to share my videos, drop a comment and all of that, and let's grow together. Thanks and see you in my next video. Bye for now.